the last sound the brain hears. Do you know what the brain does a few seconds before death? Scientists say hearing is the last sense to shut down, which means even after everything stops, you can still hear. But there's a darker theory. People who come close to death aren't hearing doctors or family members. Across different hospitals, patients waking from near-death experiences described the same thing: a sound waiting in the silence. Not screaming, not voices. Breathing. Thousands of people breathing, all at the same time. One patient said, "It felt like standing in a dark room, surrounded by people you couldn't see, and none of them were alive." But the disturbing part, before his heart stopped again, he grabbed the nurse and whispered, "When you hear them breathing, don't breathe back."